Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to study trigonometric ratios of angle 0 and angle 90 degree. Right? First of all, we have to find the angle 0 degree. For that, let us consider a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle angled at B. Let us consider a right angle triangle angled at B, and the angle is theta is the angle. It is 90 degree angle, right angle at B, and this is angle theta. A is the angle theta, right? Now 0 degree. Now it is right angle triangle, right? AC is now in the 45 degree, right? It is in the 45 degree. If AC is moving towards, AB, if this point moving towards AB, then AC is equal to what? AB. Then what will get here? If this is a right angle triangle, right? If this line reduces like this, finally it is coincide with what? Finally it is coincide with AB. AC is coinciding with AB. Therefore what we can say, AC equals to AB, right? बोल सकते हैं हम AC equals to what here? AB. क्यों? AC क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? ओवरलैप हो रहा है AB के ऊपर, रेड्यूस होते जा रहा है. वैल्यू ऑफ BC becomes what? वैल्यू ऑफ BC becomes 0. रेड्यूस हो रहा पूरा ये टर्म. ये लेंथ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? दिस साइड becomes totally 0. इट इज अप टू 0 ओनली. अभी रेड्यूस करते गए हम. लाइन क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? अभी यहाँ पे था पॉइंट C, अभी नीचे आया, ये लाइन ऐसा नीचे क्रॉस होते जा रहा है अभी. ओके, सीधा ओवरलैप हो गया इसके ऊपर दोनों. AC एंड AB आर कोइंसाइड ऑन ईच अदर. देन वी कैन से इट इज AC इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? AB, राइट? एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ BC बिकम्स 0, राइट? गॉट इट? Now see. First, now by using this, we find the trigonometric ratio of angle 0 degree, right? Now let us consider, we have 6 trigonometric ratios, as you know: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and finally cot theta. Now what are the ratios of sin theta? It is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, right? It is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. It is base, or you can say adjacent. It is perpendicular, it is hypotenuse. Now ratio of sin theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. It is nothing but BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Value of BC is what here? Value of BC is 0 divided by AC. 0 by anything is equals to what? 0 only. Therefore, sin 0 degree, we are finding angle for 0 degree. Right? Ratio of 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is what? 0. Got it? Next, cos theta. Here theta is equals to what? 0 degree, right? Now, cos theta. Ratios of cos theta is base by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. AB by AC. Now, value of AB is equals to what here? AC equals to AB, right? Therefore, AC by AC it is, which is equals to 1. Got it? Next, tan theta. Ratio of tan theta is perpendicular divided by base. That is BC by AB. BC by AB. Value of BC is what here? Again 0. 0 upon AB, which is equals to again 0 only. Got it? Now we have sine 0, cos 0, tan 0. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0. Right? Next, reciprocal of sine is cosec theta. Directly we can write here AC by BC. AC by BC, which is equals to again AC by 0. Anything by 0 is nothing but your infinity. Either it is plus or minus infinity. Right? Next, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, that is AC by AB. AC by AB. It is AC by AB is again, which is equals to AC by AC only, which is equals to what? 1. Right? Next, finally, cot theta, AB by BC. AB by BC, which is nothing but AB by 0. AB by 0 it is. Value of AB by BC. BC is 0. Anything by 0 is again infinity. Either it is plus or minus. Right? Now here all 6 trigonometric ratios we got of angle 0 degree. That is, angle is what here? It is a 0 degree. Therefore sine 0 equals to 0. Just keep in mind, angle of sine 0 equals to 0, cos 0 equals to 1, tan 0 equals to 0, cosec 0 equals to infinity, sec 0 equals to 1, and cot 0 equals to infinity. Got it? These are the 6 trigonometric ratios of angle 0 degree. Similarly, we can find the angle 90 degree. Let's see. Now, got it? How to find the angle 0 degree by using a right angle triangle, or you can find this by using a unit circle also, right? See, again for 90 degree, let us consider a right angle triangle here also. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is right angled at B, and it is angle theta, right? Now angle theta is equals to what here? Angle theta is 90 degree. Now this AC, now AC reduces towards or moving towards BC. Now this term, I can draw one more figure here. अभी क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? It is A, it is B, it is C. अभी AB क्या है? रेड्यूस होते जा रहा है. A क्या हो रहा है? B के ऊपर आ रहा है, इस साइड में आ रहा है. तो वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है अभी? ये ऐसा ऐसा होके ये लाइन क्या हो रहा है? It becoming perpendicular now. Finally it is coincide with BC. AC क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? A साइड में आ रहा है यहाँ पे. It is moving towards point B. A is moving towards point B. Then AB value is 0. ये क्या होता है? इस साइड में आते गए तो यहाँ पे आके रुक गया वो, तो पॉइंट पे क्या हो जाएगा? AB becomes what? AB equals to 0 and AC is equals to what? BC. AC equals to BC. Got it? अभी ये क्या हो रहा है? पॉइंट ए इस तरफ आते जा रहा है. लाइन क्या है? ऐसा 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 होते होते परपेंडिकुलर पे आके रुक जा रहा है पॉइंट AC, राइट? यहाँ पे ये पॉइंट क्या हो रहा है? कोइंसाइडिंग विथ ये पॉइंट क्या था? फाइनली यहाँ पे आके यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. पॉइंट ए एंड बी कोइंसाइड हो जाएंगे एक ही पॉइंट पे. देयरफॉर AB इक्वल्स टू वी कैन से BC. बोल सकते हैं AB इक्वल्स टू BC. Right. Now let us see its trigonometric ratios now. It is again perpendicular, it is adjacent side, or you can say it is base, it is hypotenuse, right? Now, again sine theta equals to, now ratio of sine theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Value of BC by AC, here AC and BC are equal, therefore take AC by AC. In place of BC what we are taking? AC. AC by AC, which is equals to 1. Sin 90 degree is what here? 1. Next, cos theta. Ratio of cos theta is base by hypotenuse, AB by AC. AB by AC. Here value of AB is 0 by AC. Anything by 0 is 0 only, right? Next, tan theta. Base by, ratio of tan theta is perpendicular by base, BC by AB. BC by AB. Here BC as it is, value of AB is again 0. Anything by 0 is infinity, either it is plus or minus infinity, right? Next, we got now sine, cos, tan. Now reciprocal of these three, cosec, sec, cot, right? Now next one is cosec theta. Reciprocal of sine theta, that is cosec theta. AC by BC. AC by BC, that is again which is equals to AC by AC only, which is equals to 1. Next, cos theta, it is sec theta, it is AC by AB. AC by 0. Anything by 0 which is equals to infinity, either it is plus or minus infinity. Next, finally, cot theta. AB by BC. 0 by BC, which is equals to 0 only. Now, sine 90 degree angle here, theta means 90 degree. All are 90 degree only, right? Sin theta equals to 1, cos theta equals to 0, tan theta equals to infinity, cosec theta equals to 1, sec theta equals to plus or minus infinity, or cot theta equals to 0 degree. It is standard angles of all 6 trigonometric ratios. Got it? Now we know 0 degree, 90 degree. In yesterday's class we have find 30 degree, 45 and 60 degree. All 6 trigonometric ratios of 30, 45, 60 and today's lecture 0 degree and 90 degree. Totally now we have 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. All the 5 standard angles. We have got the standard angles of 6 trigonometric ratios of all the 5 standard angles. Right? कल के क्लास में भी हम ये 3 के बारे में पता करे थे कैसा फाइंड करना है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज, और आज के क्लास में 0 एंड 90 डिग्री के बारे में पता कर लिया हमने. राइट? नेक्स्ट, ऑलरेडी आपको मालूम है क्वाड्रेंट्स के बारे में. यस, फिगर ड्रॉ करूंगा. Already you know about quadrants. It is x-axis, it is y-axis, it is negative x-axis, it is negative y-axis, right? It is called as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. हमारे पास 4 quadrant. It is the origin, center of, is nothing but your origin, right? Now, in the first quadrant, second, third and fourth, in the first quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive, right? We can say all are positive. In the first quadrant, it is 0 degree, or we can say 360 degree, it is 90 degree, it is 180 degree, it is 270 degree, right? 0, 90, 180, 270, and finally again 360. It is complete. One revolution is nothing but 360 degree, right? In the first quadrant, all the 6 trigonometric ratios are positive. From sine, I will write here all 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and finally cos theta. All are positive here in the first quadrant. All 6 are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec theta, right? And in the third, tan and cot theta. And next, cos and sec theta. See, in the first quadrant, all 6 geometric ratios are positive: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. And in the second quadrant, sine and cosec, only 2 are positive, remaining cos, tan, sec, cot. All the 4 are negative in the second quadrant, right? And in the third quadrant, tan and cot, only 2 are positive, remaining 4 are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta, reciprocal of each other. Here also sine and cosec are reciprocal to each other. Tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, and similarly cos and sec are reciprocal to each other. These are reciprocal to each other, and in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec only positive and remaining 4 are negative, right? To remember this, a short form is there, a trick is there. ASTC. A means all here. A stands for all. S stands for sine, it is. Sine reciprocal is cosec. And T stands for tan. Reciprocal of tan is cot. And C stands for cos. And reciprocal of cos is sec. All student take coffee. To remember this, we have to, a logic or a trick you can say, all student take coffee. I can write here, all student take coffee. Here A means all, S means sine and cosec, T means tan and cot, and C means cos and sec. One more is there, all silver teacups. All silver tea cups. You can remember either of any one. If you get confused, अभी आपको कहाँ पे तो भी confuse हो रहा है. ASTC फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस पॉजिटिव रहेंगे बोल के, तो ये फॉर्म में आप याद रख सकते हैं. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स टेक कॉफी और ऑल सिल्वर टी कप्स. Here A stands for again all, S stands for sine and cosec, T stands for tan and cot, and C stands for cos and sec theta. Right? ये 4 क्वाड्रेंट याद रखना है आपको. These are the definitions of trigonometric functions in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Right? And ये तो हो गया पॉइंट्स याद रखने के लिए. अभी क्या है, एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे इसके ऊपर. अभी आपको मालूम हो गया है क्या क्या है बोल के. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी 1 or 2 एग्जांपल बेस्ड ऑन दिस. सी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज हियर, और आप टेबल चार्ट भी बना सकते हो उसका सिमिलरली। उसका चार्ट देखेंगे क्या होता है, अभी चार्ट देखने के बाद ही प्रॉब्लम्स को चले जाएंगे। सी सिमिलरली अभी मैं टेबल डालूंगा टोटली 0 डिग्री टू 360 डिग्री तक, राइट। इट इज एंगल थीटा, साइन थीटा, कॉस थीटा, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. It is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and finally 360 degree, right? Yes, sin 0 equals to how much here? पहले sin 0 और sin 90 का लिखूंगा मैं। sin 0 is 0 degree, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, and cot 0 is infinity, 1, infinity, and next 90 degree 1, 0, infinity, 90 degree 1, 0, infinity, and 1, infinity, 0, 1, infinity, 0, and 180 degree 0 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, infinity minus 1, infinity, and similarly 270 minus 1, 0, infinity, and minus 1, infinity, 0. And finally 360 degree, it is similar to 0 degree only, that is 0, 1, 0, infinity, 1, infinity. Either it is plus or minus, don't get confused. ये क्या है, infinity plus or minus हो सकता है, और यू कैन से कैनॉट डिफाइन भी बोल सकते हैं हम इसको। इंफिनिटी को क्या बोल सकते हैं, वी कैनॉट डिफाइन दिस, राइट। नाउ सिमिलरली वी सब्स्टिट्यूट साइन 30 डिग्री, इट इज 1/2, रूट 3/2, 45 मीन्स रूट 1/√2, रूट 3/2. Now root 3/2 reciprocal, root 3/2 is 1/2, right? 1/√2 and 1/2. Tan is 1/√3, 1, it is root 3. Now reciprocal of this 1/2 sine reciprocal of 2 root 2, 2/√3. Again cos reciprocal is 2/√3, root 2, 2, and it is 1/√3 means root 3, 1, 1/√3. It is nothing but your table for trigonometric angles, right? अभी ये आप याद रख ले सकते हैं। sin 0 इक्वल्स टू, अभी कंफ्यूज मत कर लीजिए, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हम क्या करें, 0 डिग्री का फाइंड करें, 30 डिग्री फाइंड करें, 45, 60, 90 तक करें अप टू, राइट। 0 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री, राइट। अभी यहाँ पे सिंपल क्या याद रखना है आपको, 180 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री इज नथिंग बट योर 0 डिग्री, राइट। 180 डिग्री इज नथिंग बट योर 0 डिग्री. Simply just cos and sec theta are negative in 180 degree. Almost same है. 0 डिग्री और 180 डिग्री को चेक करके देखो, ऑलमोस्ट वैल्यू सेम है. cos theta and sec theta only are negative in 270 degree, and similarly for 270 degree it is similar to what? 90 and 270 degree. See, 0 डिग्री और 180 डिग्री ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, सिर्फ cos थीटा एंड sec थीटा में नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, एंड 90 एंड 270 हियर sin एंड cosec आर नेगेटिव. इतना याद रखना है. 0 डिग्री एंड 180 डिग्री both are same, only the difference is what here? Cos and sec. Cos theta and sec theta are negative. Cos and sec theta are negative when 0 and 180 it is. Compared to 0, 180 में क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Cos and sec theta 0 हो रहा है. Almost 0 डिग्री के उत्तर सेम है. Similarly 270 डिग्री कंपेयर टू 90 डिग्री. 270 क्या कर रहे हैं? 90 डिग्री को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? साइन एंड कोसेक आर नेगेटिव. राइट, इतना याद रखना है. अभी ऑलमोस्ट बाकी का तो हमने सॉल्व किया है. कल के क्लास में भी हमने सॉल्व किया है 30, 45, 60, एंड आज के क्लास में 0 एंड 90 डिग्री स्टैंडर्ड एंगल सॉल्व किया हमने. रिमेनिंग 180, 270 आर similar to this. Just keep in mind cos and sec are negative when we compare 180 degree with 0 degree, and 270 degree when compared with 90 degree. Sin theta and cosec theta are negative. Right? This much is in this today's lecture. Now tomorrow's lecture we are going to solve some problems based on this standard angle. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.